2016 Primetime Avenger 32-bit for sale in Idaho Falls, Idaho 83404. Get ready to make your traveling dreams come true with this 2016 Primetime Avenger 32-bit. This luxury travel trailer is the ideal setup for anyone who appreciates first-class residential living right on the campsite. This Avenger is 31 feet in length and has been outfitted with a spacious floor plan that features one 13-foot awning, 3 slide-outs and sleeping accommodations for up to 10 guests comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this fancy travel trailer comes with the convenience of leveling jacks, and plenty of storage space both inside and out. This 2016 Primetime Avenger 32-bit is laced with quality amenities that are eager to provide you with your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of this travel trailer's advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove/oven, microwave, refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with U-style seating, large kitchen island, outside kitchen, built-in television and stereo equipment, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo, sofa, sleeper stand, up, shower, sink, toilet, walk-around, master queen-size bed, master storage dresser/closet, bunk room with 3 beds, space for television, underneath storage, furnace, heat pump, added solar panels for power all the time, and so much more. This 2016 Primetime Avenger 32-bit has been meticulously maintained and is ready for its next adventure. It is perfect for anyone that wants to cherish every moment of their RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced very competitively, so don't miss out on this rare opportunity. You will be hard-pressed to find another 16 in this condition for the asking price. Call today for more information on how you can hit the road with this unparalleled 2016 Primetime Avenger 32-bit.